Let's give a big welcome to Barbados. Let's welcome Trevor Eastman.
Well, hello there.
You are watching Caribbean Insight TV, the engine room of culture.
It's my...
I want, before you go, for you all to give yourself a round of applause for me.
Remember to subscribe to keep our culture alive. I'm Lady V. Take care of yourselves and each other, and thank you for watching.
Having a wonderful time here with Caribbean Insight. I think it's a wonderful organization, and I hope you will do as I do, keep listening to them.
Caribbean Insight really is dynamite. Caribbean Insight really super was spite. Caribbean Insight enjoy day or night.